Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a short review of my new Apple iPad that I just got a couple days ago. This is the 32 gigabyte 3G version. As you can see, the little black stripe up here, which houses the cell antenna. And this is the 32 gigabyte version of the 3G. Alright, so let me do a short review of some of the features and applications that the iPad comes with. First, we'll look at Calendar. Now, this is a pretty neat application that allows you to look at your calendar events and dates. As you can see here, we can view it by month, we can view events by week, and we can even view them by day, or you can view them in a list. And then you can also, to scroll through different months, you can hold your finger down here and change the month by dragging your finger along. It's a pretty cool application, just how it renders and how everything looks. Okay, so let's take a look at the iPod application for the iPad. Now here you'll see all of the songs you have on your iPad in a sort of a list format here, and you know, it's pretty simple. To play one, you click on it, it brings up the cover work, and it starts playing the song. To go back to the list, you just press the little back icon there, and then you're back at the list. Adjust the volume like this. Yeah, obviously play, pause, fast forward, rewinds up there. And you can search by artists, albums, genres, composers. Pretty simple, but pretty cool. Alright, let's take a look at the Notes application. Now here it's just your standard basic note-taking application that Apple includes with the iPad. Pretty simple, really. Just, you know, type your note here and it'll save over here. My favorite app that the iPad comes pre-installed with is the YouTube app. So let's take a look at that. I really like how the YouTube app allows you to look at videos in kind of a cool layout. You can look at featured, top rated, most viewed, favorites of yours, subscriptions of yours, which is pretty cool. Although it's kind of funky, it's kind of buggy, I'd say, because some of the subscriptions will load, and then if you go down to another one, you know, down the list it says YouTube not available, okay, and it shows no videos. So it's kind of quirky in that aspect. But it's also really cool here where you can see your own videos that you have on your channel once you log in. And you can monitor how many views you have on those videos, or just check them out. And the high definition videos through YouTube on the iPad look absolutely amazing. This is a video I took and posted a couple days ago of my 27-inch iMac that I just got. And as you can see, it really renders really nicely on the iPad. And it's pretty cool just how, you know, interactive it is. It really spices up the blandness of watching a YouTube video. You know, here you can see once I backed out of that, you can also watch it in this smaller video, and you'll see all the related videos on the right side. Then you can see the little description of the video you're currently watching. So that's really awesome. I like that. Let's take a look at Maps. Okay, so this is the Maps application. There's absolutely nothing special about the Maps application. It's the same Maps application that you'll find on your iPod Touch or your iPhone. I mean, it's cool, but it's really just bland and, you know, not substantial. You know, you have your little peel away here for your screen options. And one thing I really did like about this, being a 3G model, is that it has a GPS embedded inside of it, and I'm not planning on using this iPad with AT&T's data service because if I need this to have data outside of a Wi-Fi network, I'll just tether it to my phone, or anywhere else I'm basically always in range of a Wi-Fi network. But one thing I was worried about, which a guy at Best Buy had told me, was that the GPS didn't work unless you had the data service. And that's not true, because here I'll press the location button and it finds where I am. This isn't finding through Wi-Fi network. This is actually finding through the GPS, and I know this because I have another iPad which isn't a 3G model, it's a Wi-Fi model, and it won't do that because we don't have enough Wi-Fi networks to get a range of the location where I'm at, or triangulate the location through the Wi-Fi network. So this is pretty cool that you can see your actual location using the GPS without having to have the service. Safari application is awesome. It's just a Safari application. It's just a basic internet browser, but I was really surprised with how fast and how nicely everything renders on the page. All the pictures and everything load, obviously as long as it's not Flash, and I just really like that. Like, see how fast it will switch to another web page pretty quick. Then the Photos application, which I'm sure you've seen a million times. It's pretty neat. Just how you can see all of your pictures, and the resolution looks really nice. It's cool how you could do the pinch to zoom in and zoom out. That's pretty neat. Alright, so I think that's it for all the included applications that I really like. That's basically all of them anyways. So now let's go into a couple of the applications that I've downloaded that I absolutely love. So first we'll look at the Weatherbug application, which is probably my favorite application because I love seeing the local weather, and I love seeing radar, and that's just really cool. And as you can see, it renders the radar map really nicely, and it shows you a little quick condition overview of your current location that pops up into the main screen, and just click to get away from that, and then you can click on your forecast. You can zoom up and down, see the local forecast for the upcoming days. And then down here you can search for alerts. Currently there's a tornado watch. Not exactly sure why, but there you go. So that's pretty much it for that. Another one I really like is Pandora. I've used Pandora radio for a while, and I really like them. But this app in particular is really cool because it renders the songs really quickly. Now you can see how fast changing stations the song will come back up. See, now it's playing this song already. And you can change it again. It's playing this song. You could fast forward. It's really quick. And I just like listening to music, different varieties. So this is always a cool app to have. eBay application is really cool. I sell a lot of stuff on eBay, so I like to be able to use this application. And when we click on an item, it pops up this cool little detail sheet about the product, giving you the option to buy it, watch it. You can see the description, see information about the seller. So that's pretty cool.